Hey there! Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that many face when working with text formatting. The issue at hand involves the need to highlight specific characters within a sentence using a certain format, but not applying the formatting to all words unintentionally. Moving on to the asterisk solution asterisk I have for you. To achieve the desired outcome, you should avoid using look around in this scenario. Instead, a simple find and replace method will do the trick. Just search for the characters between asterisk and replace them with a designated bold format. Remember to customize the bold tag based on the styling used in your Adobe-indesign software. In summary, we have addressed the problem of selectively highlighting characters within a sentence without affecting all words. By following the straightforward solution provided, you can effectively emphasize specific text elements in your design projects. Now go ahead, give it a try, and watch your text stand out. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a well-formatted text is worth more than 1,000 words.